Good day everyone. Today I'll be discussing the film Unfriended Dark Web and answering the card questions. The Unfriended Dark Web is a 2018 thriller film directed by Steven Sisko. The story follows Matthias together with his girlfriend and their close friends, Damon, AJ, Nari, and Serena. The film starts with their usual online game night through a group video call. Pero habang ginagamit ni Matthias ang laptop, na-discover niya na hindi ito ordinaryong laptop. May mga laman itong secret files, videos connected to a dark web activities. Doon na nagsimula ang mga threats from unknown hacker. As the story goes on, the group realized na hindi lang online ang danger. Pati real life nila nakatarget na. And now, let's talk about if there are any ICT trends shows in the film. Let's talk about the first ICT trend shows in the film, the dark web technology, which shows the hidden part of the internet kung saan ginagawa ang mga illegal transactions. Second, encrypted messaging, where hackers use secured communication platforms para hindi sila matrace. And third, the cloud storage and file sharing, kung saan mas mabilis at mas madali nilang ma-access at ma-transfer ang mga videos and files. And lastly, video conferencing, since the entire film takes place on a group video call, which reflects how online communication has become part of a modern life. Internet threats shows in the film. Yes, there are 5 internet threats shows in the film. First, the hacking. Dahil nakakontrol ng hackers ang laptops, webcams, at social media accounts ng mga characters. Second, the identity theft. Dahil kinukuha ng mga hackers ang personal information at ginagamit ito para manakot. And the third, doxing. Dahil binubugnyan nila ang private details ng mga characters through online para i-manipulate sila. And the fourth, cyber stalking. Dahil minomonitor nila ang mga galaw ng mga characters sa real lifetime. Dahil nagamit nila ang camera at microphone. And the last one, the dark web crimes. Dahil nandyan ang paggawa at pagbenta ng violent contents, kidnapping videos, at iba pang illegal na gawain. And the lesson that I learned in the film is, first, we must be careful with what we do in online. Second, always protect personal information by using strong password and avoid oversharing. And the third, the internet is not always safe. May mga tao sa likod ng screen na may masamang intensyon. And lastly, trust